Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can be able to sell your Telegram username for exchange of Tone or other kind of cryptocurrency. So we are going to be utilizing this platform called Fragment.com. So I want you to open your Telegram app and then visit this website called Fragment.com. So when you visit the website for the first time, you will need to connect your Telegram account to the website and then link your Tone wallet to it. And then after you are done with that, you have to verify the account with ID, which is not anything difficult to do. So I'm not going to be showing you that part. So you can see over here my identity have been successfully verified, and then I have successfully linked my Tone wallet to the account. So once you are done with all this, I want you to scroll to the bottom which says convert to collectibles and then click on that. And once you click on convert to collectibles, it will take you to this page which will show your Telegram username and then with a button which says place on auction. So I want you to click on place on auction, and then from there it will tell you this, that the Fragment bot sent a confirmation message on Telegram. So you will need to open the Telegram bot and then confirm that we want to place our username on auction. So let's click on confirm auction and then transfer bot ownership. Click on change ownership, then enter your Telegram password. So once you are done entering your Telegram password, you receive this message over here saying that the requests have been successfully confirmed. So now let's head back to the Fragment website again, and then over here we are going to enter in the amount that we want to place our username on auction for or on sale. So over here the 10 Tone gave us a total of $14 or 14 USDT. So I'm going to be changing this to around 30. And then once you are done setting in your amount, you have to click on create auction, and then it will tell you that your auction have been successfully created, and you can also place your first bid on it, or simply just wait for interested buyers to come in and then pay you. And once that they are done with the payment, you simply just have to change your Telegram username, and then the username will be transferred to the buyer successfully. So that is simply it. Very easy to do. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please like it and then subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Bye.